Welcome to the part 3 series of how to cut and sew men's shirts. In this particular video, we are going to be teaching you how to prepare pocket and sew them on a shirt. This is a prepared pocket and this is a finished pocket. Our pocket is going to be 5 inches wide. So we get material, put them on fold, then we make it 6 inches with allowances, 0.5-inch allowances at both sides. So then the height of the placard of the pocket is going to be 5.5 inches. Then you are going to add allowance of 2 inches at the top part of it. So this is how you draft it. Then you also come down to the base and connect the base. So at the base also you are going to add half inches allowances. So at the end of the day, you are going to have 5.5 inches plus 2 plus half inches. That's 6 inches plus 2 inches. That's 7 inches. You are going to make 7 inches long fabric. So what you're now going to do is that just follow this method I'm doing now to get your pockets. If you've gotten your pockets, this is, you make sure the under is slant. You're bringing it, you're coming to the side of the pocket and you're reducing it by 1, then so that you can get this dovetail shape. So you take it to you're now bringing your pressing iron, press, then measure 2 inches. This is 2 inches. This is about 2 inches. So what we did now was this about 2 inches. We'll press it. After we've pressed it, so that we'll have a crease line, we'll now use that one as a guideline. Now fold it so that the folding will not be touching the crease line again, as seen in this video. So this is what you do. You press it. So this crease line is going to give you guidance. Then you now refold it back and press. So this, you've done the upper part of your pocket. Then for the other side of the pocket, what you're just going to do is come in each by 0.5 inches. That is the allowance you left. You're going to come in each by 0.5 inch and fold from the side and from the bottom. So by the time you finish folding and pressing, that will give you a perfect pocket. So what then will be left is for you to know how and where to fix it. You shall be fixing it on the left part of the front panel. I mean the left part of the front panel. You're going to take some measurement, usually 7 inches for this particular one. We're going to use for an adult. Averagely is about 7 inches from the neck. You're going to measure. So this is your plug. This is your pocket. So we are going to measure 7 inches. Remember, 7 inches from that neck side. We're going to measure that. Then we are measuring 7 inches from the neck. Then the width, we are going to measure from the center of that bottom placard. We're going to measure 4 inches. 7 inches from the neck, 4 inches from the center of the bottom facing. So you can use in this particular place, you can use your pin to pin down your pockets. If you've used your pin to pin down your pockets, just follow the style I'm using like this. Since I'm not going to be sewing them straight, so I'm using this particular method. I just tint I'm going to tint it, I'm going to turn it upside down, then sew. What you can also do, so that like I told you initially, you can still make use of your pin so that it will be firm. So make sure that while you are making your stitches, use the appropriate stitch length while stitching. You might like it. It should not be too long. It should be averagely. You just use the average size of your stitch length. So gradually, this is how we sew our pockets. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us. If there's any area you're not getting clear, let us know. This type of pocket is also called a patch pocket. This is how we gradually sew them. It's also called a patch pocket. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. We've come to the end of this particular series. Thank you very much for your time. Please kindly help us to share this video, like, comment. If there's any area you do not get clearly, kindly notify us. Thank you.